name is Nivanshu Yadav. I am a student of Noida International University, School of Journalism and Mass Communication. This is my second year and fourth semester. As we all know, we are surviving in COVID-19. Everything is closed, everything is shut down. By keeping in that mind, your education should not be disturbed. My university has decided to provide education through online. We are getting lectures through video conferencing. We are getting all the study materials in WhatsApp group or through mail. We are discussing our problem with the teachers that we discuss in the classroom. We are learning each and everything that we learn by going to college, by going to university. You can learn each and everything that you learn in the classroom. You can also utilize your time by staying at home. You also know that going outside is very dangerous right now. So my request you, all of you, that stay at home, stay safe. You are getting education. Your education should not be disturbed. That university has decided. Thank you.
Hi, I am Pankaj Ojha from Noida International University and I am doing my Masters in Journalism and Mass Communication. Due to the ongoing problem of coronavirus, regular classes could not be conducted for last about a month's time. However, online classes have been conducted on regular basis and the entire syllabus has been almost completed. I must compliment our teachers and express my deep sense of gratitude to the teachers who have taken all the pain to ensure that the academic session goes on very smoothly and the entire syllabus is completed in time. All assignments have been done and submitted by the students. So thank you so much to all our members of the faculty. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone, my name is Puneet and I am a student of Mass Communication from Noida International University. As you all are aware of this coronavirus epidemic, because of which we are unable to go to our college and universities. So our university has arranged online classes for our convenience and these classes are just great. All our questions are answered at proper time and we are given a fixed time to join the video classes. And around all our syllabus is completed in the classes. So as a student, I just wanted to say that I am just enjoying these classes and I have no issues regarding them. Thank you.
Friends, myself Nitin Singh Bist. I'm from Noida International University from School of Journalism and Mass Communication. I'm from BGMC. Nowadays, as you all know, due to coronavirus, COVID-19, lockdown has been done in many states and countries, due to which we are not able to study properly, due to which our midsem and our semesters are going to held online. We were not able to educate our studies properly. For further, our teachers, respected teachers, has taken responsibility to teach us due to online apps. As there are many online apps, our teachers are using Zoom app, for which we are getting a proper information about the subjects, and in WhatsApp they are providing us PDFs and PPTs. So I would only like to say that the jobs by our teachers and Noida International University is all doing good. Thank you.
A great opportunity to partake in online classes. This gives us the opportunity to use Zoom in one of the apps for more practicals. So I urge every student to partake in this online course, which will help in asking questions. For me, I am indeed honored to be one of the participants, and I am really enjoying the online class because it gives me the opportunity to ask questions about my assignments and practicals. Thank you.
I'm Divit Pandey and I'm doing Mass Comm from Noida International University. I'm a first year student. And first of all, sir, I hope you are doing well, because we all know how things are going around in the world, how this pandemic is affecting our lives. And being a student, I was worried how I'm going to complete my syllabus, because before lockdown we had a lot of things to study, we had a lot of things to learn. But all thanks to our teachers, our mentors, who are there no matter what time it is. So I'm making this video to thank them. Thank you so much, all of you. Practical course, it is not enough to just read out the notes. We really have to grasp that practical knowledge, and our teachers are helping us a lot in that, because they are allotting the assignments, the tasks on the daily basis. There are a lot of small tasks, lot of small assignments which we are submitting on regular basis, which are helping us to grasp that practical knowledge. Now I'm really not worried that my studies will lag behind or my syllabus will be at a great stake. Thanks to you, sir. Thanks for providing such facilities. Thanks to the teachers. Thanks to the mentors for guiding us in this right direction with such great efforts, with such hard-working spirit. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Yadav. I am a student of Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. I am studying in Noida International University. So as we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic is going on and we all are facing it. But in that case our study is affected. But in my case there is nothing like that, because our university is providing us the notes and online classes and giving us such notes and queries section, by which it is helping us very much. So I'm very thankful to my university that I'm getting proper knowledge with my university. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
I, Rishika Shukla, student of Noida International University, pursuing BJMC 4th semester. So here, due to COVID-19, our university has started online classes for the student, and I had a great experience taking online classes, because our teachers are doing hard work to complete their syllabus, like taking online classes on Zoom app, sending PPTs or notes on WhatsApp related to the subjects. We all are impressed by your innovative methods of teaching. Stay at home, study at home. Thank you.